A and B, and we got answer A equal to -1, M equal to A equal to 1, M equal to -8, B equal to -8, I think so, right? So second problem, you see, if one of the dimension of a cuboid, okay, one of the dimension of a cuboid whose volume is given. So second problem, volume of cuboid given. Volume of cuboid. What is the volume of cuboid given? See, yeah, volume of cuboid is equal to 16x square minus 26x plus 10. 16x square minus 26x plus 10. So what is the volume of cuboid formula? Length into breadth into height. What is the volume of cuboid formula? Length into breadth into height. That is 16x square minus 26x plus 10. So in this all, 2 is common. Just observe here. 2 8 is the 16. Following. 2 8 is the 16. 2 13 is the 26. 2 5 is the 10. So I just take 2 common. So what is the thing you will get? 8x square minus 13x plus 5. 8x square minus 13x plus 5. Therefore, 8x square minus 13x plus 5. Take out the factors for this given quadratic form. Okay, quadratic polynomial. Like 8x square minus 13x plus 5 is called quadratic polynomial. Already we have discussed. Why I am telling it has quadratic polynomial? Because the highest degree is 2 means we call it as a quadratic. If highest degree is 3, we call it as a cubic. If highest degree is 1, like suppose 8x square is not there, only 13x plus 5 is there, we call it as a linear polynomial. But here highest degree is 2, so we call it as a quadratic polynomial, right? So 8x square minus 13x plus 5 is a quadratic polynomial. Now how to find this? How to find the factors means first and last number you multiply it. What is the first number? 8. What is the last number? 5. So 8 into 5 equal to how much it is? 40. 8 into 5 is 40. Now take the factors of this fact 40 in such a way that either by adding or by subtracting the two factors must be equal to middle number. Are you getting my point? Once again I am explaining. First, now to find the factors for the given quadratic polynomial, take the factors. How can we take the factors? See, first and last first we multiply. 8 5 is 40. Okay. After multiplying first and last number, okay, take the factors in such a way that with that factors either by adding or by subtracting it must be equal to middle number. Like see 8 5 is 40 means 10 4 is 40, right? And what are the options? I'll just check out. See what are the options. So 8 into 5 is 40. So to this 40, what are the possible factors I'm finding? 2 into 20 is 40. 4 into 10 is 40. 5 into 8 is 40. Are you getting my point? 2 times the 20, 4 times the 40, and 8 5 the 40 or 5 8 the 40. So what are here 3 factors I'm able to find out. Okay, and in these 3 factors, either by adding or by subtracting, it must be equal to the middle number. See here 20 plus 2 cannot become 13, or 20 minus 2 also cannot become 13. Here 10 plus 4 cannot become 13. 10 minus 4 also cannot become 13. Now coming to here, 8 minus 5 cannot become 13, but 8 plus 5 can become 13. Okay, what I said, whatever the factors we are taking, those factors either by adding or by subtracting, it must be equal to middle number. Understand? So here it is possible with 8 and 5 because 8 5 is 40, but 8 plus 5 will become 13. So in place of 13, 8x square, in place of 13, I just write 8 plus 5. What I write? 8 plus 5. I don't take 2 tens and 4 tens, I don't take because they are not satisfying this middle number by adding or subtraction, by addition or subtraction. Okay, but this 8 and 5 is satisfying the middle number by addition. Okay, so in place of 13, what I write? 8 plus 5 I write into x, and this plus 5 has this. This plus 5, what I just write? As it is. Okay. Now 8x square. Here no number means plus will be there. Minus into plus, minus 8 into x is 8x, minus into plus, minus 5 into x is 5x, and this plus 5, and this plus 5. Now in these two, if you just observe, 8x is a common, not 8x is a common. So 8x is a common means if I take 8x, I can write x minus 1 over here. See, 8x into x is 8x square. Here no sign means plus will be there. Okay, now plus into minus is minus. 8x ones are 8x. Here x minus 1 we got means compulsory here also must be taken x minus 1. Understand? Here whatever the thing we got in terms of bracket, same thing must be taken here, and by multiplying of any of the number, it must satisfy the above two terms. Like suppose here minus 5x actually we require, but what we have here only x we have. So multiply with minus 5. So if I multiply with minus 5 into x, it will become minus 5x. This minus into minus will become plus. So 5 ones are 5. So here 8x, this minus 5, this x minus 1. Are you following? These are the factors of the given polynomial 8x square minus 13x plus 5. Okay, 8x minus 5 and x minus 1 are the factors of given polynomial 8x square minus 13x plus 5. Now see what we have actually L into B into H. 2 into what is the remaining terms we have? 8x minus 5 is one factor, and x minus 1 is into x minus 1 is the other factor. So if you compare this, L means 2, B means 8x minus 5, and H means x minus 1. So length into breadth into height. So where are the, what is asking? One of the dimension is asking. 8x minus 5. See, 8x minus 5 is also one of the dimension. X minus 1 is also one dimension, and 2 is also one of the dimensions. So what is the D answer? D, because all of the above, no. All of this 2 is an option, and 8x minus 5 is also option, and x minus 1 is also an option. So all of this is the correct answer. Next, coming to the third problem, if x minus 3 is a factor of 3x cube minus x square plus px plus q, then what is the condition is asking? Given, let's suppose f of x, I will assume it has a polynomial because already p and q terms are there in the question. Okay, in the polynomial. So I'll assume it has f of x. So what is f of x? 3x cube minus x square. Okay, plus px plus q is a polynomial. 3x cube minus x square plus px plus q is a polynomial. So x minus 3 is a factor is saying. What is saying? X minus 3 is a factor. X minus 3 is a factor means x minus 3 equal to 0. X minus 3 equals to 0. So x equal to minus 3 comes here means plus 3. Minus 3 if comes after equals to it will become plus 3. Now f of 3, already it is a factor given, no. Already x minus 3 is a factor he mentioned. When x minus already it is a factor means whose remainder will become 0. Yesterday we discussed this one. Because whether it is a factor or not means we have to check. We have to check if remainder becomes 0, then we can say it is a factor. But already he has given that it is a factor. As it is a factor whose remainder will become 0. That means f of 3 will become what? 0. So in place of x 3 you substitute. Now 3 into 3 cube minus 3 square plus p into 3 plus q equal to 0. 3 into in place of x 3 cube minus 3 square p into 3 plus q equal to 0. Now 3 into 3 cube is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3. 3 must be right 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3 minus 3 square is nothing but 3 into 3 plus 3p plus q equal to 0. Now 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Are you following? 81 minus 3 3s are 9 plus this 3p plus q equal to 0. Getting my point? Now see here 3 81 minus 9. 81 minus 9 is how much? 73. No, 72. Yes or not? 81 minus 9 is 72. 72 plus 3p plus q equal to 0. So still possibility if you check 3p plus q equal to plus 72 comes here, means it will become minus 72. So where is the option C? Or else, okay, here this is also option. What is the option? 3p plus q plus 72 equal to 0. 3p plus q plus 72 equal to 0. This option is there as a C. Okay, option C is the answer, right? On. Fourth one, see. Fourth problem. Are you able to look? Okay, let me move this. Yeah. Right? Now, fourth problem, you see, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, a cube. See, this is the direct option, which you have to remember. It's very important. Because if a plus b plus c equal to 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube will become 3abc. A cube plus b cube plus c cube become 3abc. Why it is option C? We have a formula, right? What is the formula we have? See, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca plus 2ca equal to, what is that equal to? A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. This is the formula we have. Okay, a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. And yeah, minus 3abc. Now, if already given, what is the given condition? A plus b plus c equal to 0, he has given condition. In place of a plus b plus c, what we have to keep? 0. Now 0 into something is how much? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca is equal to what? Here in a plus b plus c is 0, means 0 into something will become 0 on its own. 0 into something becomes 0. So what do you write from this? Therefore, this value ABC, a plus b plus is 0, means 0 into something is 0. So 0 equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc it will be. Now minus 3abc comes here, it means what happens? A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc is the answer. Right? Come on, copy down. So what is the option? A. Option A is correct. 3abc is the correct. I'm sorry. A cube, this is a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab. Sorry. Minus bc, and this is minus c, a formula. Anyway, 0 only, but formula is okay. A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. Now, if a plus b plus c is 0, 0 into anything is 0. So, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to 0. If minus 3abc comes here, it will become plus 3abc. So, a cube plus b cube plus c cube value how much? 3abc, which is option A. Okay. Just small mistake, don't mind. Fifth option is also x minus a is a factor of the polynomial p of x if p of a equal to 0. If it is a factor whose remainder will become what? 0. So fifth problem is C option. Fifth one is what? Fifth problem is option C. First bit has completed, just copy first. Make it fast. Can I arrange this site? Yes. No means just raise your hand. Yes means leave it. This side I want to erase. Or else this side only. If anyone still copying, just raise your hand. So I will stop erasing this side board. Yes. Shall I erase? Okay, I'm erasing this side. So level 1 IIT JEE main practice sheet level 1. Okay, IIT JEE main practice sheet 1. In the following, x minus y minus z and z minus x are the factors. X square into y minus z plus y square into z minus x. See, given first question, x minus y, y minus z, comma z minus x are factors. What is the option A? See, x minus y means x minus y equal to 0, x equal to y. Same y minus z is a factor means y minus z equal to 0, y equal to z. Z minus x equal to 0, z equals to x. If you observe in these options, okay, if you observe in the options, in place of x, if I keep y, first one, In first one, suppose option A is there. Suppose what is option A? X square into y minus z plus y square into z minus x plus z square into x minus y. So in first I will take x minus y. Let x minus y is a factor if I suppose. In place of x, I will substitute y. So it will become y square into y minus z. Y square into z minus, in place of x, y. In place of z square into, in place of x, y minus 5. If you observe here, y minus y is 0. 0 into something is 0. Now here, this will become y square z minus y square into y is y cube. Y into y square into y again y cube minus y square into z y square z. Now minus y square z plus y square z plus y cube minus y cube. Answer is 0. Getting my point? Answer is 0. Same if I substitute in place of y z also. In place of y z if I substitute, in place of y here if I keep z, z minus z is 0. 0 into something is 0 over. So here also in place of y z, here also in place of y z. So again this values become 0. If you want, I will just check. Now in place of y equal to z I will take now. Now x square into, in place of y z, z minus z. In place of y z, z square into z minus x. Again in place of y square into x minus, in place of y again z. Now x square into z. Now z minus z is 0. 0 into x square is 0 only. Z square into z is z cube minus z square into x is xz square plus z square into x is xz square plus into minus minus z square into z is z cube. Now see, plus z cube minus z cube minus xz square plus xz square. Again answer is 0. Even if I substitute z is equal to x also, I will get answer 0. So by this what I can conclude is all the C, not only in the option A, in option B and option C also, if I substitute same way in place of xy, in place of yz, in place of zx, you will get 0 all the 3 options. So answer will be D. So what is the option answer here? First one, answer will be D, option D. Answer will be D. Okay, now coming to this, I just erase this side. Can I give time or shall I erase? If you have not copied this, you just show your like a hand symbol so that I will stop erasing the boards. If you have copied, just okay. Okay, I'm erasing the board. Next see, second one, f of x is equal to x square plus 5x plus a. F of x equal to x square plus 5x plus a, and g of x is equal to x square plus 3x plus b. Have the common factors a minus b whole square equal to lambda into 3a minus b. Then what about the value of lambda? Have the common factor. Let x minus 1 is a common factor of, let x minus 1 is a common factor of f of x comma g of x. Let us check. Okay, x minus 1 is a common factor of f of x comma g of x. That means f of 1 equal to See, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. That means f of 1 equal to g of 1. F of 1 equal to g of 1. So what happens? 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus a equal to 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus b. Now 1 plus 5 plus a equal to 1 plus 3 plus b. 1 plus 3 plus b. So 6 plus a equal to 4 plus b. Comes here. I just take variables one side, like a plus b comes here means minus b 4. If plus 6 comes here, it will become minus 6. So a minus b equal to minus 2. This is number 1. A minus b equal to what? Minus 2. One minute. Copy down that and tell. Okay, you do complete up to here. First question. Tomorrow we'll continue this. Copy that and move. Tomorrow we'll continue. Copy and move.